I think what drove me to medicine was the complexity of medicine. I wanted something that had a puzzle to it, and I love puzzles and solving things. That's really what drove me to medicine. What made me change the way I practice from more of a conventional to a little more of an alternative position was people that came to me with problems, I wasn't necessarily solving them. And that bothered me. I really wanted to say, oh, this is why you have thyroid problems, or this is why you have joint pain. I wanted to be able to say, this is the reason, and therefore this is the answer. The answer for a prescription didn't seem genuine, and it didn't seem like a solution. Right off the bat, I started questioning that. It was later that I learned there were actually answers. You know, in school, in medical school, they kind of teach you, it's kind of a running joke, that 50% of what they teach us is not accurate anymore, and you know, it's 50-50. Our careers would be to learn which 50% is right and which is wrong. And I kind of agree with that. I mean, we know the hip bone's connected to the leg bone, and that's still valid, but what about answers? People are searching for answers, and I want to be the answer guy. And genuinely, throughout the course, a lot of patients along the way taught me that there were answers really, and they're not necessarily found in conventional medicine. It's hard to explain how different my view of health was from the start to where it is now. And what I've learned that the lifestyle and what brings true health is so, and on one level it's so complicated, but on one level it's so simple. We need certain things in our life, and when we don't get those, we're not going to be healthy. What's changed over these last 30 years is the understanding of what those things are, and they're not things you necessarily suspect. People don't even know they need to sleep 8 hours. I run into that every day. People know dieting and exercise are good, but what does that actually mean? Can it be shortened? Do you need lots of hours? What are those things? That's health to me looks like knowing those certain things and being guided along that journey. Health is a skill. It's not just a blessing necessarily, but it's something you can attain. And how do you attain that? Is understanding what brings true health and what we need to be healthy.